Hey everyone, my name is Will. I'm the CEO of Phonely, and today I want to walk you through how you can set up the Google Calendar block and schedule appointments on your Google Calendar immediately through Phonely AI without doing any other work other than just connecting the block. So to get started, we're going to click on the Google Calendar block, which is available in a live call block here. So we're going to select that, and then once that's selected, we are going to connect our Google Calendar. In our situation, we are linking this with Google Calendar, so we're connecting it here, and we have a pop-up that will go through and allow us to sign in to our Phonely or to our Google Calendar account. All right, once that's authenticated, that means we've made the link between the two accounts. Then what we do is we're just going to select the available times. These are going to be the times that Phonely is allowed to book on that calendar. So we can set it from 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. We can add multiple different times here. However you want to do it, Phonely is able to book on that Google Calendar just like this. We will also add in the email. So this is the email address that the customer would be giving us so that we can schedule in that appointment there. So this will allow us to know or notify the customer to invite them to that Google Calendar. So this is something that we will need to gather from before. We've previously gathered this information actually already in the prompt block here. So by clicking on this Google Calendar, I actually am just realizing we didn't gather this in this branch of the workflow. So I'm just going to change it to show you how it would happen. So in this block, in this prompt block, we actually gathered the customer's email address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this here. And then once we re-click on that, we will see that we have that previous prompt block there. We have the email address, and that's going to be the customer's email address that they say over the phone. We can give it an appointment name like, appointment. It's a great name for an appointment. We can set the duration. So this is how long they're able to book for. Add an appointment description. We might want to add in, for example, the customer's name is this. Their phone is the customer phone number. And maybe we wanted to add some other information like their address. We want to add this here to that so that we have all that information captured down so that in our Google Calendar appointment, we know exactly the name, the customer's phone number, and the address that they collected over the phone call. And just like that, it will automatically schedule in your appointments to Google Calendar with just those few steps. We do have a couple of what we call interim message. So as we're booking that appointment, there are a couple of different features and availabilities here. So for example, one of them is just fetching the availability. So what we say in the meantime as we're doing this, because it takes some time for this to process. So, okay, let me just check this for you. Give me 1 sec as I see what's available, and give me 1 moment to book that in for you. These are the 2 messages that we're saying as we're going and actually performing these actions on your Google Calendar. So if you want to change those and modify those, you can totally do that as well. Additionally, you can always tag the outcomes so that you know exactly what's happening in this stage for future analytics using our analytics platform on Phonely. So that is the Google Calendar tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.